Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Professormoe and this is another Weekends with Professormoe. How are you gonna spend your weekend with Professormoe? Do you wanna have fun? Watch Weekends with Professormoe. You wanna start YouTube, you don't know how? Watch Professormoe. You don't know how to grow your YouTube channel? Then watch Weekends with Professormoe. Yeah, Professormoe with 389 subscribers. Jesus Christ. Okay, to be honest with you, I feel like people are gonna make fun of me in some point. Be like, hey, this guy has 389 subscribers and he's making videos about how to grow on YouTube. Before we get started and dive into all the details, the stuff that I want to tell you today about the whole week, I want to take a moment and give a quick shout out to Tubebuddy. Thank you so much, Tubebuddy, for letting me use the free Legend license for 3 months. They're so nice. Heck yeah, I appreciate it. Much love to you guys. Thank you so much. A special thanks to Rob, partnership manager at Tubebuddy. Thank you so much. They gave me the free Legend upgrade for 3 months. Heck yeah, this is gonna be Legend. Wait for it. Dairy. And also, this week we have another giveaway. Yeah! Apex coins, guys. Apex coins. If you are an Apex Legends player, then go ahead and check out my last post on Instagram. Professormoe, that's it, easy peasy. Just go search for it. It's gonna be up here. Okay, right or left? I don't know. Probably right side. Yeah, so go ahead and check out my last post on my Instagram. You will see the details, you know what to do. Before we get started, I want to talk about the week. I was supposed to have 3 videos, but this week I'm gonna have 2 videos. One on Monday, which was the bows, I guess. Wait, which one? What is the last video I made? Let me see, I don't even remember. Yeah, it was the bows review. Yeah, we're gonna have just 2 videos, the bows in today's video, which is gonna be the last video for this week. So I was supposed to release an episode of Is It Worth It to Buy? And Tony was supposed to be back. But to be honest with you, I shoot the video, I didn't like it. So I reshoot it again. And I edited the whole thing, I didn't like it. And I tried to edit the first footage, I did. And I didn't like it, so technically I have 2 videos already, almost 2 videos, a video and a half, but I don't want to release it, which is a good point. I had a conversation with my friend Alex about it. I was like, I don't want to release it, it's not good. And then he goes like, just release it, why not? Are you being like perfectionist? I'm like, I think so in some points. To be honest with you, when I brought Tony in the videos, I wasn't like super comfortable on the camera, and Tony was a help, you know. It was fun having Tony next to me. But yeah, I just didn't want to release it because it wasn't really natural. It didn't sound like natural, and I was like, meh, I don't like it. It's too scripty. But y'all know that Tony is a real person, right? You should know. Anyways, guys, I didn't release it, but it is what it is. I might release it in the future, or I might try reshooting it again, or without Tony, or Tony in the video. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see in this week, or maybe later. Who knows? Let's jump into how to get started in Tubebuddy. Well, so first thing that you need to do is add your channel here. Click on this plus sign, boom, add your channel. You're not supposed to see this, I'm not gonna show it to you. Heck yeah, free Legend upgrade, yeah. To be honest with you, the first video that I made about Tubebuddy, I didn't even know what I'm doing. I'm discovering more stuff. This menu could be a little scary because there are a lot of stuff here. You don't know what's going on. But it's actually super simple. I was really confused in the first day when I was using it. Let me tell you. So in the first section over here, you're gonna see license, which is gonna be some details about your plan. Over here in the health report, you will see a summary of everything, like on your subscribers. Basically, it's almost the YouTube analytics, but it's not at the same time. It gets it from the YouTube analytics from 30 days, and it will compare it to the previous 30 days, which is pretty interesting. Like technically, you have the report of last 60 days, which is cool. Traffic sources. In YouTube search, these videos, these titles, these keywords, they've been giving me views, which is cool. Yeah, best multiplayer games for PC. I like that video. That video was one of my favorites. It was a good video. It was amazing. CD Projekt Red. Haha. Probably this is the roasting video. The roasting video was actually one of my favorite. I really enjoyed it. Criticizing everything about CD Projekt Red. It was fun. It was a joke, and it wasn't at the same time. If someone doesn't like what I do, I don't give a fuck. Related video, and these are the videos that they're suggesting my content, which most of them are my videos, but I see this one, Far Cry 6 Season Pass trailer, this one isn't my videos, but I've gotten 2 views from this guy, which is cool. Just found out that this video that has been like suggesting my content, 2 views, I've gotten like 2 views of it, has 33,000 views. Wow, which is cool. Over here, Social Blue Book. If you upgraded to the Social Blue Book, you can see the value of the channel. Retention Analyzer. This is one of my favorites. So basically, what it does. What is Retention Analyzer? Tubebuddy analyzes your most recent 50 uploads. Click the button below. Boom. Let's just refresh it, which is gonna be the same thing, I guess. So this list right here could be very important for any content creator, because you will know how people are reacting to your content, how they're watching it, are they skipping it. They say in creating content, you have literally 10 seconds. In the first couple seconds, you get to attract your audience. Like clicking on the content is another story, like make someone to click on your content, which is gonna be a good title, a nice thumbnail, and a good content. In the very first section on the left side, you're gonna see the list of your videos, your most recent content or videos. I've clicked on all. I mean, the default was on all, so this is all of my videos, a report of all of my videos. This is very nice to understand, honestly. Like, you know if people are watching your content or not, which is cool. Like the watch time, you're breaking down the watch time on every single videos. And as a content creator, I really appreciate this feature. Shout out to Tubebuddy. Thanks so much, Tubebuddy, for creating this amazing feature. This is awesome. So on the published date, the update episode 13. I think it was the episode that had the interview with Thornton Smash. He is making amazing content on his YouTube channel. He is a Apex Predator. Go ahead and check him out. Watching him is a lot of fun, honestly. I enjoy watching his stream. He's a good Apex Legends player. So, anyways. So, the duration of this video was 7 minutes 22 seconds. 70% of my viewers watched the first 10 seconds. 30 seconds, 51%. The first 1 minute, 31%. A minute and a 30, 29, and then in 2 minutes, 24, halfway, 24, end screen, 13%. So, let's see. I want to see how much views I've got on that video. Let's go on. This is it right here, the update, episode 13. Oh no, that wasn't the episode with Thornton Smash. This is very interesting. So 38 views on this video. Cool. Very nice.
What up everyone, welcome to the update. I'm your host Professormoe, and this week we are gonna talk about CES 2021.
Very nice. Very nice. Look at this handsome boy. Yeah, 16% of the viewers, they watched it till the end. Let's change that up a little bit. I don't wanna waste so much time in here, so let's just see one of my most recent videos. How about that? Duration, the publish date. So this one, the lake gameplay. It was a boring game, truly. 95% they watched the first 10 seconds, and then eventually it's going down till the ending screen. 37% watched the whole video. 30% of the views that I've gotten watch till the end, which is cool. I actually appreciate that. So this is how you set up the SEO for your YouTube videos. CES 2021 is my target. You pick the right one, whatever you want, and then bring it in the description. You're gonna have to repeat it twice. You just have to like put it in here 2 times. CES is over, and now it was a perfect time to talk about all the important news and announcements. I hope you enjoy watching CES 2021. So yeah, that's not a good description, but I just want to finish it, so boom. This is my favorite feature in SEO Studio. Yeah, Tubebuddy. So you get to pick all of these amazing target keys. About your keyword or the target key, it needs to be in the first tag. It will be an option over here. You can just click on it, or you can just change it really quick. But if you just just click it, it will change it for you. You don't have to go over it. One more time. And then over here, always pick right tags for your content. Robot vacuum, gaming laptop, all of this could be included, I guess. And I just picked a bunch of relevant tags for my content. Boom, press next, come back to the thumbnail. I just came to this realization. I mean, everyone was telling me, like all the tutorial videos that I was watching, everyone was saying, thumbnail is important, work on it, work on it, work on it. But I didn't, and now, here we go, I'm making amazing thumbnails. You cannot dislike my thumbnails nowadays. Like, boom, look at it, it's beautiful, truly. Look at my beautiful face, look at the handsome man in the background. Like these guys right here, the past 3 thumbnails in the past 3 videos, I would say they look amazing. Let's get back to the SEO Studio. The Tubebuddy SEO score says 100%. Boom. We're gonna press next, apply to the video, and then once you hit apply, close the SEO Studio, save it. Close this guy, refresh the page, and then the magic just happened, guys. Boom.
What up, everyone? Welcome to the update.
Alright, shut up, Professor. So last night when Rob emailed me and told me about the free upgrade, free legend upgrade, 3 months, I was really excited. I was just like, boom, I get to see how actually Tubebuddy works. I get to see all of these manuals, which is awesome. This one was one of my favorite. The retention analyzer is very important. It was very important to me. Yeah, so last night I went over all of these videos just to see how many people are watching my videos. Like, are they really interested in my videos? In most of them, I would say yes. So in the user statistics, you get to see how much time you spend on Tubebuddy. First off, I started talking about being consistent, and then I was like, boom, Tubebuddy. I'm using it, I'm getting the result. It could be like many other people like me, many other content creators that would like to find a way for easy growth. I would say Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is your best friend as a content creator. Even the free version, you still have a lot of option to progress. Like the starter package, I think I have it here. Let's just bring it up. Boom. Boom, boom. The pro license is 720. 720 is nothing. The start version 1520, a legend 3920, which is, I would say, the legend one is a little expensive. I'm so thankful that I got it for free again. And thanks so much, Rob. Thanks so much, the partnership team. Appreciate you too, buddy. I'm so thankful that I've got this legend license for free. Using it for 3 months, it means a lot. And hopefully we will see good results, and I will try to share everything with you. 720 is nothing. I know we pay $18 per month for just Netflix. Why don't I spend some money for the stuff that I want to do for the rest of my life? I want to make YouTube video for the rest of my life. What was that song? I want to go to college for the rest of my life. I don't even know. I don't wanna make like super long videos we know what's going on in this section. Like so far, the first menu, we know what's going on. Next, we're gonna go into Launchpad, which is right here in the main dashboard, best practice setup. I just wanted to show you how to start using TubeBuddy, like the beginning. And the answer is just start using it. Start using the free version. And guys, I have a promo code, Professormoe. It's gonna be down here, somewhere here. I'll put it in the description down below. If you would like to use that, you don't have to, but if you would like to use it, it will be a support for me. And we're done about TubeBuddy this week. Let's go into my YouTube Analytics, YouTube Studio. Let's open it up. Let's see what's going on over here, guys. Total views, 3.8k views. Watch time 432. Whoa, this is cool. So this one still gets views. Okay, I gotta fix that. This is interesting. In the last 48 hours, I've got like 150 views on this one. So I just realized people are watching Weekends with Professormoe more than anything else. So we're gonna make more videos. Heck yeah. Alright, I didn't pay attention to this, honestly. I'm glad I saw this. And I wanted to say sorry about Wednesday's video. I was making 3 videos per week for the whole month, even more than that. And I was really happy for it. Once I couldn't do it Wednesday, I was like, it's okay, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I shared a post on my Instagram and I said, yes, I would do it. Sorry I didn't publish it on time. And again, I couldn't because of some weird feelings. I just didn't want to. Not the end of the world, but the point is, I was feeling bad about not being on the schedule. That made me upset, honestly. I was like, damn, I broke the cycle. I'm just having a great time making content, sharing everything that I know. I would say Weekends with Professormoe is definitely one of my favorite contents that I make. I just like sharing. I like sharing whatever I know. And I hope it will be helpful for anyone who's interested, for any content creator, any small content creator or big content creator, I don't know. But that's dumb. Big content creators wouldn't watch this. Alright guys, this is it, and next week we'll talk about TubeBuddy more. We'll go through all of these menus eventually. I want to take it slow and break it down. And once again, shout out to TubeBuddy for giving me 3 months of Legend license. Appreciate that again. Thank you guys so much. Thanks, Rob. Thank you. Alright. Don't forget, give this video a like, leave a comment down below. Have a nice weekend. Peace out. Professormoe.